latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you about arguably the most unluckiest cricketer in Indian cricket post 2000. Well, I'm talking about Bengal cricketer Manoj Tiwari, who played only 12 ODIs and 3 T20 internationals for India between 2008 and 2015. But I'll go there in a bit. But in the meantime, why is he in the news? Well, in a recent interview to a sports website, Manoj Tiwari clearly stated that he was sidelined because of the attitude of the national selectors back then. Remember, in 2008-2009, there was Krishnamacharya Shrikant led committee who was there as the main panel, and he has alleged that while most of the cricketers or most of the middle order batsmen were not scoring and he was scoring heavily in the domestic cricket, yet the national selectors didn't look at him as a player who can play for India for a very long time. But that was not the case. If you see his first class career, well, he has played over 115 matches for Bengal, and in that he has scored over 8,700 runs. And even now, if you see his career in the last season or a season before that, he scored a triple ton in test in first class cricket, which is also called as the test cricket for the domestic cricketers. So clearly he has been scoring runs, but then what has been the reason behind his exclusion? If you see the era between 2000 and 2010, well, you could see it was dominated by the likes of Gautam Gambhir, Sehwag at the top of the order. Then you had Rahul Dravid coming in. Then you had Sachin Tendulkar, VVS Lakshman, and others, and Saurav Ganguly, and time replacements like Yuvraj Singh and all. But then you couldn't find a place for Manoj Tiwari, and mind you, he hasn't even made his test debut for India. So clearly he has only played ODIs and T20 internationals, and that too, it has been a start and a stop career. He has also stated that he doesn't want to compare his career to that of someone like Rohit Sharma. Remember Rohit Sharma in his early days when he made his debut for India in 2007, everyone was talking about him like there's this youngster. Even Virat Kohli in an interview stated that, you know, when you saw him as a youngster, you were just like wow, because of the talent which that man had. But then his talent was converted into runs by skipper MS Dhoni, and also when Manoj Tiwari made his debut, MS Dhoni was the main captain, or was the captain of the Indian cricket team, under whom Manoj Tiwari played for Rising Pune Super Giants in the IPL, also played for ODIs and T20 internationals. One of the major reasons which was stated for his exclusion is his poor fitness levels. But then he went into the gym, he worked hard on his fitness, and is now still scoring a lot of runs. So why is it that someone like Rohit Sharma has got ample opportunities and someone like Manoj Tiwari, who has been slogging in first class cricket, is it the reason that he doesn't have the X factor which you generally relate with a player? You see someone like Rohit Sharma, who in his career after 2013, well, he has been skyrocketing in each and every season. He has scored over 1,000 runs in possibly in the last 6-7 years. So, and when compared to Manoj Tiwari, well, he has been slogging it out in first class cricket, but at the end of the day, it almost looks like that he will never ever play for India again. So do you think that Manoj Tiwari is possibly or arguably the unluckiest cricketer in the recent era? Do you think, or do you remember of someone else who you can tell us? Do send in your comments and feedback, and I'll be looking forward to the same. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News 9 Digital across all social media platforms.